crop namodu చేసేటప్పుడు please ensure that strict instructions are given to the officers concerned not to insist on documentation. This is not a subject for revenue. This is not subject for insisting on documentation. Our duty is to only ensure who the cultivator is and what crop is being cultivated. The objective and the purpose is something else. It has got nothing to do with your revenue records. So please make sure that this does not overshadow what needs to be done. ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రతి ఎకరా గ్రామంలో ఈ క్రాప్ జరగాల్సిందే. The system should become so transparent that the list of the beneficiaries should be displayed for social audit in RBKs. That will happen only when we have proper e-cropping done. When the e-crop untene crop insurance proper ga jarugutundi, input subsidy proper ga jarugutundi, procurement kuda proper ga jarugutundi, sunna vaddi kuda proper ga istam. So there is nothing to fear. So you can display it in RBKs. So transparency oka level daati cheyagalugutam. So please make sure that this is properly done. Seed Corporation is the only authority that will empanel the reputed seed producers. So it's very important that Seed Corporation దగ్గర నుంచి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు తీసుకొని అవి మాత్రమే ఎంపానల్ అయిన రికగ్నైజ్డ్ అండ్ రెప్యూటెడ్ కంపెనీస్ మాత్రమే సప్లై చేయాలి. I will not tolerate left, right, center empanelment by anybody and everybody. There's got to be a quality check in place. Seed Corporation has been given the mandate to inspect, to cross-check, and then only after that empanel. So please make sure that all these SOPs what are put in place, because by the time the product comes out of RBKs, be it seed, be it pesticides, be it fertilizers, the quality is guaranteed by the state government. State government guarantee chesta undante, that means the ownership is on collectors, the ownership is on JC, the ownership is on HOD here, the ownership is on secretaries here. We collectively as a government sign off our responsibility there. Jagananna Shashwata Bhu Hakku Mariyu Bhu Raksha. This is one very, very important program. So much so that it would actually revolutionize the village. 100 years back, survey was conducted, and probably 100 years tarvata ee roju malli we are actually updating the books, updating the records. We are conducting a thorough survey with the latest of the equipments. Totally, once this is done, it would eliminate disputes at the village level, especially connected to land. And this is one very, very important program which envisages a sub-register office at the village secretariat level itself as the completion of the job, and the entire process to be completed by 2023 June, wherein every village in every secretariat, the conclusion will be that you would actually have a sub-register office also there. So it's a big vision which involves your attention, your focus. Without collectors fully committed to this program, without the joint collectors fully committed to this program, we will not see results. So this is one subject that I want you to be fully committed, because this would actually leave your name. Palani వాళ్ళు కలెక్టర్లుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు మా రికార్డ్స్ అన్నీ చక్కబడ్డాయి అని మంచి పేరు వస్తుంది. So the collectors and the joint collector who's handling this, please ensure that uh, you are totally dedicated to this program. But most important thing is, when you go there, please look at the register, physical inspection register is a must in every gram sachivalayam. And every time somebody goes for inspection, they would have to see that what has been pointed out in the previous inspection, has it been complied with or not. Similarly, it is also the duty of the next inspection authority to also inspect the physical inspection register to see the compliance. అది జరగకపోతే మీరు ఏదో చెప్తారు, చెప్పిన తర్వాత అవి జరుగుతున్నాయా జరగడం లేదా అన్నది కన్నా ఫాలో అప్ చేసి అవి జరిగేట్టుగా చేయకపోతే we will not be doing any justice to the system. So it's very important that everybody who goes for inspection looks at the physical inspection register, understands what has been suggested previously, and also they should insist as to why it is not being complied with, in case it is not being complied with.